Okay, out here under the sphere, it is 98 degrees. And this may sound crazy, but without air condition, just because of the structure, concrete on the ceiling, concrete on the ground, concrete on the walls, right here, it is probably 79 or 80 degrees. You could live in this parking garage without air conditioning, and you would have to have a blanket at night. So yeah, somebody that really wants to improve the environment needs to consider the fact that there are ways that could be done for free.